First Warning Weather with Chief Meteorologist Nick Bannon.
All right, here it is. We first warned you about it about 15 minutes ago, and the severe thunderstorm watch has now officially been expanded to include almost all of central Texas with the exception of Caldwell and Fayette counties. Notice it lasts until 1 in the morning. It's really critical you put on those notifications for weather alerts so that you can stay weather informed well into the night. This is how it looks in Liberty Hill now from our Santa Rita Ranch camera. Clouds and distant storms. Once the sun sets, it'll be much easier to see the vivid lightning off in the distance. Still reasonably quiet in the metro and our eastern counties, although there's some non-severe storms bubbling up near Granger and into parts of Milam County, either side of Cameron. We do have a brand new severe thunderstorm warning that we haven't talked about yet, though. It just came out within the last few minutes. For Mason County, there's the city of Mason within Mason County. It's basically the northwestern corner. The worst of the storm still just to the west, but it's moving east with a large hail threat. Look how big this hail is, estimated about 1.5 inches to 2 inches in diameter, almost about to cross 29 and head into northwestern Mason County. This is a storm worth being indoors for many reasons. The frequent lightning, the large hail, damaging wind a potential too. Still have this severe thunderstorm warning for northern and northeastern Llano County and northwestern portions of Burnett County. Plenty of lightning with this one as well. This goes until 6:45. The hail not as large except just north of Bluffton, although including a little bit of Bluffton, but just north of Bluffton, where we're estimating it to be about 1.5 inches in diameter there. And this hail is lifting off to the north and northeast. So there's the bigger cluster of downpours and storms in the hill country that continue to expand in coverage. That's part of the reason why the National Weather Service extended the severe thunderstorm watch to include more of the area, because that expansion expected to continue. These storms coming ahead of a cold front, but this is not the only source of storms here into the evening and night. There's a dry line well to the west of us that's also generating storms, and we expect these two clusters of storms to merge somewhat here over central Texas. That will help to up the rain and storm coverage, but also give us some concern for flash flooding as well as the severe weather risk that we've been talking about. None of our computer models have been perfect with this, but they all are along with the idea of increasing rain coverage, first in the hill country and then in the metro, especially later this evening. And you can see some of the red showing up indicating torrential downpours, the potential for flash flooding, as well as severe weather. This should be wrapping up by between midnight and 2 in the morning as the storms pull away to our east, and then we turn much quieter and really mostly dry for much of Wednesday. So increasing rain and storm coverage here this evening and tonight. Severe weather possible, flash flooding possible. Overnight lows down to 70. Concerned about large hail and damaging wind. Those are the top two concerns. And then localized flash flooding. Right now we're not too concerned about tornadoes. 1/2 inch to 2 inches of rain by the time you wake up Wednesday morning. We could get some isolated pockets up to 4 inches, especially in the hill country. But it's a mostly dry day tomorrow. Clouds to some sun, just a 20% rain chance. And then rain chances pick back up again into Thursday, a little lower Friday, and then much higher here on Saturday as this unsettled pattern continues. On no day will it be raining all day, but rounds of on and off rain and storms continue through the holiday weekend and beyond.